we'll start with some exercises to warm up the body, starting with the fingers, with the head, all kinds of things, just slowly warming up the body, learning how to move together. And then we will do some exercises for rhythm, for coordination. We start to move around the room. We cross the room with all different kinds of emotions and qualities. Just really starting to explore different ways that we can move our bodies.